back with you guys with another video. Good morning. It is Tuesday, May 18th, I think. It is Tuesday, right? Taco Tuesday. It's May 18th, 10:50. So I'm gonna be showing you guys, as you can see in the title, finally we're gonna get some new tires because the tires are really bad on the work truck, on my stepdad's truck. So we're gonna be putting on some new, I believe the ones we have right now, they're Toyo's Open Country, and what we're doing is we're pretty much getting again 17 new tires all around, all six. So I'm gonna be showing you guys, but we're not going with Toyos anymore. We're gonna be going with Nitos, if I'm correct, and I think we're gonna be going the same size. So it's 295, 70, 17. So let's go see that. We're gonna be showing you, because I think they're already, my stepdad's doing that right now, but he's gonna need a ride. But I am gonna be showing you guys a little video on the before and after, how it looks, because they were well needed and we needed them. And but finally, you know, the work truck that we use for work is gonna get some new tires, and they look sick. I like them. So stay tuned with that. Hopefully you guys have a great day today. Stay tuned, and if you still haven't liked or subscribed yet, hit the subscribe or like button, get the notification, hit the little bell, and every time I record a video you will be getting a notification, or it would pop out in your phone. But thank you to all those that already have been doing that and that are already subscribed and have been watching my videos. Thank you, I appreciate it. And the outcome of the Razor, we're gonna go mudding today again. I might clean it a little bit, or I need to tighten up the speaker. Está poquito el de la otro lado está like facing this way. So, and yeah, let's go.
Tan bella, sencilla, su cara bonita. No la miren a ella porque es tan bonita. Me parece que me enamoré. Qué bonita, que se ha adueñado de mí solo con tu sonrisa. Me tienes pensando solo en tu carita.
No se cansan ver las viejas, ¿verdad? Buenas. Sencillo, ¿eh? These are the tires we're putting on. New shocks también. It's on Conway and Old 83, guys. Danny's tires and service. Tires and service. Oh, these are the old ones, right? Those were in the back. No, that one was in the front. Back. ¿Cuánta la otra? What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. suspension para que no raspen. O está bien. I don't know if I should get some for my Ford. Either these, copper, something chrome, or just get wider tires. Pero, mira, tienen hoyos. Estas son las que teníamos antes. Pero, estas son para 20. 35 by 2.5, 20.
TV 93 22
Hoyos.
09 0 65 50 11 HP.
Solo la miré, no sé cómo fue, pero siento cosas como que me enamoré. Solo la miré, no sé cómo fue, pero siento cosas como que me enamoré.
Ya quedó. Thanks once again to Danny Tires and Service. Really highly recommend them. Guys, if you guys need tires, rims. They put the tires balanced, installed them, took the, obviously, take the old, put the new, they ordered, they got us the tire, they gave us a good price on it, and we also got the shocks for the front, so we got tires and... Saludos, si quieres mandar a la dirección para que vengan aquí contigo.
217 East 9th Street, Mission, Texas.
¿Y cómo se llama usted?
Larry.
Busquen a Larry para que los haga hook up con unos tires, rines, llantas, suspensión, lo que quieran. Y ya los vamos. Mira, bien cargada. La work truck. Ay, ahí está. La troquita. Ustedes pueden ir a ellos si les pasa algo, ¿verdad? Ahí está el número, la dirección. Ahí está el bueno. Ya está.
Vamos.
Yep. Thank you. So next up, guys, as you can see, ya salimos de ahí con Danny's. We got the tires already installed, balanced, and the spacers for the back. And he also got the shocks for the front because he needed some. Now we're gonna go, I think we're going to go get it balanced. O alinearla, perdón. Go get it aligned. Para que no se vaya a volver a comer las llantas de enfrente, porque that's the reason why we had to get new tires and we didn't want to just buy 2 in the front because pues, ya estaban poquitas gastadas las de atrás, las 4. So they were like, it's already there. It's best to, instead of buying 2 new and then the other ones half old or like used, decidió comprar mi stepdad todas las 6. Y pues they gave them a good deal, y pues they do pretty good work. They were pretty quick, and pues they were fast in ordering the tires because they didn't have them. So they looked for them, they found them, they got them, and de volada se tardaron maybe unas, I would say 2 hours, no mucho. Pero as you can see, aquí están las old ones. They are gonna be for sale, so send me a message, write a comment below. They are for 17s. We got 4 good ones, 2 si están comidas. Las que eran las de enfrente. So yeah, just comment below if you would be interested or you have somebody that would be interested in the tires. So right now I think we're gonna go do that, go drop the truck off, get it aligned, and then we're gonna be going home with the trailer. And well, we've been working with that truck, so that's the one we use. And it was real hard for us to get these size of tires because no one really had any here. Pero bueno, that's that, guys. I'll show you guys right now. I'll be finishing the video at home or here where they're gonna be aligning the truck. Hopefully you guys like and stay tuned with the videos. Hopefully you like it. Write a comment or put a like or subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned on more builds. There's a little side on the side, you know, showing some love on the work truck. It's not mine, it is my stepdad's, but you know, that's the truck we use. And plus obviously it has come out on videos that I've made, getting it washed and stuff like that. And that's a truck we used to go pick up the Razor. I want to get later on a trailer or a truck like that, because I want to, you know, go and go to the track estirando my truck, la OG, or use that one to, you never know, like take it to a show or take it to the track. Or we have already the trailer and we use it for like just a Razor, but we don't have a trailer to where the full width of a vehicle, a truck, can go up. And plus, I mean, they're too high. I mean, I needed like a low profile dropped trailer so the trucks can go in without putting madera or, you know, just so it can be nice and smooth. But hopefully later on in the future we'll get that. But yeah, stay tuned with that. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys have been seeing the videos, I know it took a while, a week or two off. I'm still waiting on the intros for the OBS to get here. They should be here already this week, hopefully. It is Tuesday. I'm just waiting on the call to Pirri to head over there, slap them on, put the tires and the rims. I can review and show you guys how the rims look, and not only that, but we're gonna see how it looks, how the stance is gonna have, and then we're gonna be either dropping it, leveling it, you know, just make it smooth. And then after that, we're gonna stay tuned, because I want to finish building we're not done. I'm focusing more on the OBS, but you guys are gonna like the outcome, and more. There's gonna be more content on that one because we're slowly building the process on it, so you guys can see the things we have and the things we're still gonna be doing to it. So thank you once again for all of you. Ya también no los quiero aburrir, I'm talking too much. Pero thank you once again for all the likes and all the followers that have been following, or the subscribers. Thank you. And well, yeah, let's finish off the video with the truck getting aligned. Thank you. So we're right here at Solis Tires and Services. I still number 956-278-4619. I think my stepdad knows them, or they do pretty good work también. Me personally have not been here, but yeah, we're gonna be getting the Mamalona, la del Jale, aligned, and I'll be going home, dropping off the tires, guys. You can see my truck is dirty. It's been raining over here in South Texas, so just imagine that. As you can see, era como se ve con sus new tires. Nomás que los rines bien sucios. Pero ya le tocaba un cariñito como que era, well needed. And ahí está the welding machine's over here, right? But that's the machine que va a hacer la line. Ahorita la van a subir. I can just imagine, está bien wide de atrás. I don't know. It looks like it should fit, but it's wider than it should. So yeah, guys, thank you once again for everything, for watching. Hopefully you guys like the video, like the content. It's a little video, and post any little things we do, like to the trucks or whatever. I was thinking about making a little video mudding, but I don't know. It's up to you guys. Write in the comments if you guys should think if I should make a video mudding in the Razor with some friends and motos, cars, all that. We might be doing that today because it looks like it wants to rain. It's nice and cloudy. And also, guys, put a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what do you guys think I should do, or like, you know, because I went to Danny's, I went inside. What rims do you think will look good on my truck? Because I was thinking about going with some chrome 22s, or I was debating because I love how these 4-doors, el camarada Cesar y José o Jesús tienen una 16, 17s, el que cambia el estilito de esta, con same drop, 4.6 on a... No, el camarada César tiene el same drop, pero el otro camarada de la Maroon, que está en mi crew, que está en Sin Rumbo, chrome con el color de la troca, maroon, y César with the silver, brown, grayish. Oof, on the low pros, on 20s, otro peso, un orgasmo. And that's what I'm thinking. But my brother took my rims, so I need to get some other 20s. But I have the GMC 20s that I bought, that I have on the OG. I was like, do I buy new tires? Porque le cambié las tapitas. But then I have the replicas on, so it's like the same thing, you know, or should I go back to those Texas editions de la Chevy? Pero yeah, I'll show you guys that. Thank you. Stay tuned and. Oh. ¿Qué dicen, Pops? ¿Qué dicen?
About an hour.
About an hour?
Sí.
Oh, está bien. Como que vamos a ir para la casa. Yeah, I was looking. Ese es como un overall, ¿no? Vamos para la casa como quiera guardar las llantas.
Sí.
We'll probably have them put them
Ahorita,
for sale.
ahorita nomás les doy
Una lavadita,
una
una rinse.
una pressure washer y ahí les pongo de vez.
Bueno, bueno, aquí también tienen rines.
También. Y ahí están los de la Yukon.
Déjame preguntarles a ver cuánto salen. Those. I wanted those, but those are 20s. Those are pretty cool too.